Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve and how to get back missing network adapter from device manager in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. First one, search a device manager, open device manager. Now here click on action. Now here click on view. Then click on show hidden devices and find out your network adapter and other driver like wireless driver. If you not see here, so second method, right click any empty area. Now click on action. Now click on add legacy hardware. Next, click on install the hardware that manually select from a list. You can also use search for and install the hardware automatically. So first time select this one and next and complete this process. If that not work, so try manually. Here you will see all adapter. So select it, then next. Select model, next, and complete this process. Similarly, you can select manual. So this time select the second one, next, and find out network adapter. Or wireless driver or what you need here. Select it and next. Select manufacturer and model of your hardware device. Then click next, like Intel, and select your desired. Then next. Now finish and restart your system. If this method not work, so try another one. So click on Start, Settings, and find out Network Reset in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. And here you will see the option Network Reset. Just reset your internet connection. If this method not work, so try another one. Search Services, open Services. Now here find out WLAN config. This one, WLAN auto config. So right click and properties, select here automatic, then apply. Now right click and restart your this WLAN autoconfig service. If this method not work, so try last one. Open Chrome browser and search here network adapter. Driver. Press enter. So here guys you will see first link from Intel and second one is network adapter drivers. Now select here version like latest, and if you are using Windows 11, so search and select this first one. Select latest one. So here we can see Windows 11, Windows 10 64-bit, and this is the for 32-bit. Download, accept. Now here guys you select Windows 10 or Windows 11, and just guys you have to download, accept. If you are using Windows 11 64-bit, so this one, and if you are using Windows 10, so you can download this one 64 or 32-bit. Accept agreement and download. And guys, to download this driver, you can use your friends or family's laptop or device and transfer that downloaded file in your laptop, and after that you can extract this file and after extract right click on it and run as administrator. And once this installation complete, exit and restart your system. So these are method guys to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you or not. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this method work for you or not.